What is your biggest problem with rejection? I'm lost. All they said was no. So because somebody told you no, they don't want to be with you. No, they don't like that. No, they just not into all that. What gives you the right to get upset at the fact that somebody is actually using their word of mouth and their opinion and being honest with you? I'm lost. So you think a person is supposed to give up the way that they feel to appease you? I think not. Do you not know it is way deeper than the actual rejection of why they said no in the first place? Do you understand that some people are so stuck in their trauma that they have to fight their way out, and it's probably going to take them a lot of time to where they're probably going to lose their blessing with you? Sometimes it's not that they wouldn't want to be with you, it's just they're not able to mentally. They're not strong enough to be able to handle that situation yet because they really didn't give their all to somebody else and ended up heartbroken. Don't take the shit personal. Some people just don't like the fact that you might be too tall, too skinny, too big, too short, too small. The fuck? What is the problem? Are you not secure enough within yourself to believe that you cannot move forward? And the crazy thing about it is sometimes people with those reasons why of being shallow and saying no still miss out on the opportunity of having something that was the greatest of their life, and then don't understand down the line when they really think about it, damn, I probably should have got with him or her because the person that she's with now is extremely happy. The person that he's with is extremely happy. And then, baby, sometimes them ancestors speak. Oh, you don't want this depth contraption. And y'all still don't pay attention to the ancestors. The warning signs. The period then came on 3 or 4, 5 times. Hell, some of y'all be catching fibroids and PCOS and other stuff from situations that you could have easily avoided if you would have just said no in the first place. Peace.